What do you do, brothers? You come across crazy to a lot of folks because they don't understand.
Oh boy.
Diba, Kels? Hi, Kels. Sorry, Kels. Na-late ko, Kels. The Mountain Brothers from GOT. No, we thought they're huge, man. Like look at these guys. They're stocky, but beefy. They got a lot of beef. Gusto mo yun yung pag-abot sa Cagayan de Oro City?
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Nothing like home.
Nothing like home.
Place like home, baby. This one at home. Just amo rang ipasunog ang screen sa local nga screen printer diya sa Corales.
Damn.
Kasama na lang yung ikuan.
DIY. Ba?
Ang ano, asa man ang
Hey, these guys are more punk rock than hip hop. Diba? Look at that. Even the tote bag.
Yeah, echo
Oh my
bag.
god. I mean, echo bag.
Echo bag.
Shit. I've seen everything. Noonan ko nila. Oh shit. You have to show that later, right?
Later, bro.
Oh, look at that.
This
shit.
one is the first shit we did.
Shirt.
The first shirt we did.
That one. So that thing's worth a fortune, man. Okay, since it's the first.
First release.
Yeah. You guys believe in collectibles, diba?
Yeah.
And there's gotta be something. You gotta have this minted somewhere, nga, like framed or
PSA.
something like that to add more value. And if you gotta, siguro isabit ninyo somewhere sa inyong living room, ba? Beside the MVP trophies or like accolades. Yeah, for sure, gay. Yeah, I mean, if it has sentimental value, you hang it somewhere. Di ba? Anyway, wala pa mega podcast, but it feels like a podcast because it should be as casual as possible. Dili ni scripted, friends.
Ganon, Sure Shop.
No excuses, friends.
Thanks Salvation Army.
Mo? Walmart na ba?
Sa Walmart ang film, bro.
Ang film?
Tapos siya na thrift dito bro ba yung itong boombox. Boombox.
Dili ta ma-take down sa inyo ang beat. Who made the beat?
Oh,
Si Patty.
Patty.
friend.
Okay. No, I wish. I wish.
O Dobra.
Yeah, I was talking about Dobrak earlier.
Hello.
Hello, friends.
Yes.
Madunggan ang tiyong Kels.
Pero what's your chick?
Ah. Oh, okay. It actually took me around a minute. I was trying to recover my memory. Your name, it's Clarke. Shit, I have like really serious short memory loss. So we're Clarke, the drip god.
No. Hustler.
They call him Hustler, the drip god. He's the third wheel. Here to join us, grace us with their time. We're playing Kalabit right now. These guys are the soulmates. They're on TV. Ma, they made it.
What's up? Mama made it. Mama made it.
Kalabit, ingat ka at baka may makalabit ka. Puta parang gago, puta ko'y malabo. Di sanay sa yaman pero di na nagbago. Pero dumadami problema bumabato.
It's like a listening party.
Dapat na nato buhat to next time ba? Next
You
job.
guys should. Yeah, we should talk about that. Actually, live. We can even discuss that. So, friends, we're here. Balik Mandiri.
Shout out to Kuya Boburge Bopis. Tatsuki Bopis.
Sa kuwan man to, no? Padalong kugon.
Babayo
to. Sa matag masahian.
Tatsuki buko. Tatsuki Dorabis Boburge Proven.
Pito mo man. This part. I don't know if people are gonna see that. A lot of explicit I-offset na nato na expenses niya sa show. This might be the last time you see huge upside here, so let's relish this. I gotta travel with these folks.
Hey, God bless gossip.
God bless gossip.
God bless those who gossip.
It's more
gossip.
positive and spiritual that way. Like, kung gossip lang, that's marites, man. That's Christmas.
yeah.
Look at that.
Muna yung among first nga gibuhat nga t-shirt.
Murang first release.
That's the holy grail right there.
Yup. Classic. And gusto na mo ni Tunol sa among homie nga si
The huge upside.
Oh,
The huge
sir.
upside. Yes, sir. That's
Why
for
you
you,
make me
bro.
feel guilty.
Yes,
That's
sir.
for you. That's for you.
Wala
That's
ko
for you.
exchange. Really, man. Makailak mo sa da. But seriously.
Salamat
Ako,
po
ani?
kayo.
Yup.
Yes, sir.
Yup. That's you.
See,
That's
friends,
you.
Perks.
Hey, spread the word,
Spread
homies.
the word.
Spread the word.
Spread the word, homies.
Oh my G.
God bless gossip.
You know why?
The gossip shirt, that's priceless.
Yeah, it's valuable. So this is the first one.
Yep.
First,
I have it.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Thanks, homies. Thanks. Salamat, bye.
for sure, man.
Brother. Appreciate it, man. Gossip.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay, wala pa ko nitog pa.
Ay,
We gotta put this somewhere.
we got a release po day.
Yeah, we got a
When?
second drop here in CTTO coming soon.
Coming soon. Really soon.
Really
You
soon.
guys gonna have get yours soon. Mag-pop up sila pohon. With this
June 22.
June 22.
June 22 market date.
Look at that shirt.
June 2022.
June
2022. June 2022 Lucky Boondocks. Shout out. Shouts canon.
Yeah, they're telling because they're selling. That's why.
True.
They'll tell you soon and when and where and
You'll know
how and
soon.
why.
You'll hear of us.
More music soon, pod. More music soon.
You'll
from me.
hear of us if you keep spreading the word.
Yeah.
Naro.
Ay, some free shit na to, bro, ba? Ito.
Yeah.
Free shit.
T-shirt o labakara.
Ay, nai, good morning, pod.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let's see brand on everything.
Good morning, towels.
Good
for
morning,
For all your good morning activities.
Ba?
Yeah, whatever your good morning activities are.
Make and bake.
Pwede kayo, no? Ideas are off-world, but I think you need that. Kailangan siya. And these guys, dili po ni sila magdugay diri kay wala mo sila hangover daw kay birthday lagi daw ni Lucky kagaba.
Happy birthday sa akong birthday mate, si Jose Rizal.
His birthday today.
Pepe.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh,
June 19.
June 19.
Same
no?
birthday.
Yes, me, Pepe. Happy birthday, the pimp.
Ashley's bad boys diri.
Salamat,
Spotify,
YouTube side.
Facebook,
Shouts, beta.
YouTube.
Shout out, huge upside.
Let's
Huge
go.
upside.
Let's go.